All right, good afternoon, everyone. Today is the 30th day of May, 2013. Let's go over the results. We were we were minus 20 in gold. Gold beat us up this morning. We were minus 2 in soybeans. We were plus 21 in crude oil and plus 18 in the Russell. We're also minus 8 in copper. Let's see, we were up on the day overall. It took us a long time, again, to get our 2 points. Let's see, yesterday, you can tell on the days that my first few trades don't go well. For one, it takes me forever to get 2 points, and 2, I have a lot of trades getting to 2 points. Both days, right in a row, it took me 15 trades to get to positive 2 points. We were down quite a bit this morning as we started out, but we got it all back, and we ended positive on the day. As I said, we were minus 2 on the soybeans, plus 18 on the Russell, plus 21 on crude, minus 20 on gold, and minus 8 on copper. All right, that was our day. We had a total of 17 trades. What is that? 106 minutes. This column right here is the number of minutes it took me to get to 2 points for the month of May. Every single day, we got our 2 points every single day. As a matter of fact, there have only been 4 days so far this year that we haven't gotten our 2 points, and only one day was a losing day so far for the year. We are closing in on the end of the 5th month, so that's pretty good, I guess. Anyway, on the month we were up $5,842.50 per contract gross. Okay, $5,842.50 per contract gross. We have, if you apply an $8 round turn commission, and that round turn commission includes the commission and all the fees, that's all in, okay? If you're paying more than $8 per turn, you need to talk to Bert. If you're paying more than $8 per turn and it's not a managed account, call 866-928-3310 and talk to Bert, because you should be paying less than that. Anyway, if you apply an $8 round turn to every single trade that we took, all 254 trades we took so far this month, you would still be up $3,810.50 after commission. That's the net. Per contract. What does that mean? I trade one contract in the live trading room. That means with one contract, I made $5,842.50 gross in the live trading room. If I traded 2 contracts, it would be $11,683. If I traded 3 contracts, well, that's going to be a little more work for me to do in my head, but I believe it would be from 11,000 to go to 17,400. $525.50, I think, in my head, but something like that. That's what that means. Now, when I am trading a single contract, I'm trading a single contract on a whole bunch of markets, but it's one contract on every market. Okay, you're talking about, okay, the statement is because it seems to me you're trading more than one contract. I'm trading a single contract, but I may trade gold, I may trade crude. I mean, today, for instance, I traded gold, soybeans, crude oil, the Russell, and copper. I traded one contract per market, one contract at a time. Okay? Let me slide this off, and I will get into the trades here in just a moment. I want to make sure that No, I wasn't. I was not scaling out. It was always one contract. I was trailing my stop. The way that I do the trading in the live trading room, this is for everybody, I guess. I mean, a lot of you guys know this already. But the way that I do the trading in the live trading room, when I get into a trade, I put the trade on and I don't have a target on the trade. I only have a stop on the trade. All right? Every single trade has an 8-tick stop. Every single trade has an 8-tick stop when I put it on. As price moves up, if it moves 4 ticks in profit or it closes on the other side of the MA1, I move the stop to break even. I don't have a target on the trade. Now, the reason I don't have a target is because I like to be able to take advantage of things like this. Okay? If we had the opportunity to get into a move like this down here, I'd like to be able to take advantage of that. So what I do is I trail my stop. Okay, I don't scale out. You can't scale out with one contract. You're either in or you're out. That's the deal. No, Karen. The question is, am I going for 2 points for each contract traded? When we say 2 points, we're referring to $100 a contract. Okay, we should really probably stop saying 2 points and start saying $100 a contract. We say the 2 point thing because we're always referring to 2 ES points. You know, Dwayne and I had been trading the ES for 8 years. So we're going for $100 a contract. Okay, $100 per contract, and that's it. And no, it's not 2 points for each contract traded. It's 2 points total. Okay. All right. Let's see. The trades. Wow. Gold this morning. Gold this morning really, it really handed it to me. There was a bunch of opportunity. Okay, a bunch of missed opportunity. And the opportunities that I did take on gold, well, they just didn't seem to favor me. I took this first trade right here on gold. I missed this one right here, right at the open. I missed this nice long short trade right here. Okay, I missed this short trade right here. And that was a very nice trade. Would have given me the 2 points early on, but I missed it. And then I took the next one over here. This was a long trade I took right here. It stopped me out for -8. Took another one right here. It stopped me out for another -8. So it was -16 right there. I made a mistake over here taking this trade, and I stopped out for -2. So I was at -18 on that. Then finally, I took a trade over here that I got some profit on. Another one over here I got some profit on. And I believe at that point I was back to -12. And then I missed this trade. I took this one and I got stopped out at break even. And there was another one over here somewhere. This one I stopped out at break even. I missed this. I missed this. I did take this one. I missed this one. I did take this one and I stopped out for -8 again on that. That was pretty much it on my morning for gold. That put me at -20 ticks on gold. Okay. There were a bunch of trades that I missed in there, but that was my rough day on gold. Now, it doesn't make me hate gold. It doesn't make me think anything bad about gold. You know, as a matter of fact, gold is one of my favorite markets. If you look at the spreadsheet, we made 2,400, even including that -20 today. You know, minus the $200 per contract today. We made $2,400 this month in gold alone. Okay, so that's actually the highest gainer that we have. It's actually multiples of any of the other two put together. And yes, Karen, so you want to make at least $100 a day, okay, per contract. So you can have, if you have 5 contracts on, that would be $500. Okay, if you have 10, it'd be $1,000. And you want to make that per day. You can see in here, we're probably at 20 days now, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yeah, we're at 20 days and $5,800. So if you divide 58 by 2, what's that? $290 a day roughly is what we've averaged. Okay, so we've averaged more than 2 points a day. We've averaged multiples of 2 points a day. That's our goal. Okay. Now I was on gold. I finished gold. I'm going to move on to the Russell now. Okay. We did pretty well with the Russell. We didn't have that many trades with the Russell, but we ended up doing pretty good with it. We missed trades. We missed a few of them in here. We weren't going to trade going into the weekly trading zone right here, but there was a long trade right there, and there was another long trade inside the zone right here. I missed this nice trade right here, and this one, and this one. I missed all those trades. Okay. I don't know why I missed them. It's not like I wanted to miss a winning trade. We missed this one over here. I would have gotten a break even on this one. I would have probably taken some profit on these had I taken them. Some profit. Sort of like this one here. We took this trade, we got a little bit of profit on that. We took this trade, we got a little bit of profit on that. And we took this trade, and I think we got 11 ticks profit on that one. Now, basically what we were looking for here was a close above the trend line, and up close above the trend line on that one, down close below the trend line on that one, and a down close below the trend line on this one. All right, those were the trades that we were looking for. There were more trades that actually set up here during the break between the morning session and the afternoon session. There was one right in here, and let's see, was this a short? Yeah, there was a shorting opportunity in here. It would have been a break-even trade. Okay. Could have gotten in long over here. Could have gotten in again right here on the long trade. I'm eyeballing a trend line down these tops right here and down these tops right here. Okay. So right here would have been one, and right there would have been one. Those are opportunities for entry on the Russell. Now, we didn't take those. We were not watching at that time. Now, let me jump into crude oil. We did all right on crude today. On crude, we ended plus 21 ticks. All right. There was a ton of opportunity in here on the crude. I know some of the guys in the live trading room, some of the partners in the live trading room, made a lot of money on crude oil today, and that's good. That's what we like to see. We, unfortunately, well, I mean, we did pretty well. We made 21 ticks on crude. But if you look in the pre-market here, there was a ton of opportunity in here in the pre-market. You know, crude really starts to move around about an hour, hour and a half before the markets open up. Okay, so you see in here right around 8:30, crude really started jumping around. All right. Let's see. We started in here. We missed this long opportunity here. We missed this long opportunity here. This short here, this short here, and this short here. We missed all those. And we finally took a trade over here that was a break even. We missed that one. And this one, and this one. I mean, any one of these trades right here is a day maker. You know, any one of those trades. We took a short here, we made a little bit on that. Took a short here, we made a pretty good profit on that. We took a short here, we made a little bit of money on that. We missed the long here, that would have been a break even for us. Missed the long there. We took this one, took some profit. Missed that, and that, and that. And let's keep going over. There was another one in here, right there, and right there. A couple more, and that was the end of the morning session. Okay, as the morning session was winding up, there were some more opportunities in here to jump in. We did not do it. Okay, we were done with crude, and that was pretty much it for the day on crude oil. All right, crude went pretty well today. It was sort of the inverse of the gold today. We were up 21 on crude and minus 20 on gold, so they just about canceled each other out. Soybeans. We took a couple of beans trades today. Oops, wrong way. Here we go. A few beans trades. We missed this first one right in here. We took this one, that stopped us out. We took this one, that got us to minus 4 ticks. Then we took, this stopped us out. We were at minus 8 ticks on this, okay? Yeah, Karen. The question, do I miss trades? Did I miss the trades because I'm looking at too many charts? Well, too many is, it's all relative. I missed it because I'm answering questions from, from over 100 people, and questions and emails and trying to teach and trade all at once. That's why I end up missing the trades. If I were just trading, I would miss, even if I were trading 8 markets at once, I would miss some trades. I wouldn't miss as many, but I would definitely miss some. But yeah, I don't recommend that you guys, try to trade 8 different markets at once. What I recommend is that you watch what I'm doing, because I'm doing the same thing over and over and over and over and over again. I recommend that you watch what I'm doing and learn how to do what I'm doing, and then apply it to 1 or 2 markets of your choice. Okay, that's what I recommend. Okay, that is what I recommend. All right. Let's see. Can I explain the red bars versus the orange bars? All right. The orange bars, these orange bars and the black bars are painted using the PB flow. The flow PB. It's the CF flow indicator. All right, it's relatively new. You know, it's been in the indicator store for a week now, and it was given to partners a week before that, and it was tested, you know, without the actual bar changing for a little while before that, before it was actually created. The flow it's not an actual new indication. It's just a consolidation of the indications that are available to you at any given moment in time. And you get to set that, okay? you get to set that. So you can make it so that it would be really sensitive, or it would be medium sensitivity, or low sensitivity, high sensitivity, low sensitivity, medium. The numbers are 2 through 6. The levels of sensitivity. 6 is high and 2 is low. I have it set to 4 right now. Okay, that's what the difference of the bars are. So when it's black, like if you're in a short trade, we'll say, and you paint a black bar, like it goes from a red or a blue, which is no bar at all, is red or blue, and it goes to a black bar. When that happens, in this case, because it's set to a 4, that means at least 4 things are suggesting that it's going to go down right here. Okay? At least 4 things are suggesting it's going to go down. If I had it set to a 6 and it went to a black, that means it would be at least 6 things. You can, Karen. I wouldn't suggest, well, I'm not even going to say that. You can do that. You can just, in this case, go long when it's orange or go short when it's black. We have a partner who started doing that today in a live account, and he met his goal in 2 trades this morning. He does it on a larger time frame than this, but you can do that. Okay. Sherry, do I need to use a bigger screen? I have multiple monitors and they're all connected, so you can only see this one. I can see all the things. Okay, I have one monitor that's just for DOMs, and and text messages and stuff like that. Let's see. I went over the soybean trades, right? Is there a good trend trading strategy? Why, yes, there is, Jerry. We discussed some things in the partners meeting last week, and you guys want to get into there, then you can. You just become a partner. You're interested in seeing the charts, all the charts? Well, if you become a partner, Sherry, then you have all the charts. You have everything. So you can see everything as it's happening. Now, as the trades are setting up, I try to drag the things out in front of you. Now, I try to show the charts to you that are actually, they're setting up. Like, just now, gold set up a trade, and I would drag the gold chart out like that so you can see it. Or, the Russell chart. I mean, you were watching me today and yesterday. That's how I do it. I try to bring everything in front of you that I'm talking about. Okay. The other day I set it up so you could see 3 monitors at once, but it was really, really small, so you couldn't really see the whole thing. And I did have a bigger monitor at one point. I had a big monitor, not as big as Dwayne's, but Dwayne's got like a 46-inch. But can I talk about divergence? Yes, I can. Now this is the recap, so I'll talk about divergence just a little bit here, but I don't want to talk too much because we do have other folks that are coming on.
47.
47, okay. Got it. Check.
Thank you.
All right. The divergence right here. When the green line moves away from the cycle portion of the slingshot down here, that is divergence. Okay. I'll be happy to go over that some more in the live trading room tomorrow, or we can talk on the phone and I'll go over that. Okay. And not one talked about divergence. We have tons in the members area that talk about divergence, Sherry. Okay, tons. All right, I'm going to jump off of soybeans here. Okay. Where else did I take a trade? I took a trade in copper. Took a losing trade in copper here right at the end of the day. I was looking for the down close off the BBC. I did take the down close off the BBC, and it stopped me out for -8 ticks in copper. I didn't take anything in the euro today. There was a short trade right in there. There were a few trades here available on the ES this morning. Okay, let me blow that up so you guys can see that. On the ES, let's see, starting at 9:35, there was a long trade right in here that I didn't notice. A short trade right here, a long trade here, a long trade here, a short trade here. Those are all available in the live trading room this morning. It's setting up a short opportunity right now. Well, not quite. Almost a short opportunity right now. All right, so that's what we had going on. All right, so let me wrap up the morning session by saying, my recap anyway, by saying if you have not taken the free trial with us, go to www.cfrn.net/apply, sign up for the free trial. All right, in the free trial, you get access to everything you see here, the charting package, the indicators, the live trading room, 2 hours per day in the live trading room. You get access to Dwayne and I, so you can give me a call if you want, Sherry Healy. You can give me a call if you want. We can talk about these things. I gave you all my phone number this morning, or you can just email us at support@cfrn.net. All right. If you were in the free trial yesterday, you should have what it takes to become a partner in your inbox. Okay. If you were in the free trial yesterday and the day before that and the day before that, but you should have all the information in your inbox. If you want to become a partner, we have a partners meeting tonight, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. If you want to become a partner, and you don't have that stuff, just send us a quick email at support@cfrn.net that just says partner info in the subject, and I will send it off to you. All right. All right. With that, I'm going to wrap it up. We are, again, we have 1 day left for me to hit $6,000 per contract. We're at $5,842.50. So I need $157.50 is what I need. 157.50, and I'll hit that $6,000 per contract mark this month. All right, that's it, guys. Wrapping up the recording.